What is going on, everybody? So we are back, and today we are actually going to be mocking up my door panels for the 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, whatever you want to call it, Rot Rod. So, progress so far is some aluminum, like honeycomb pattern metal. And then I bent the top down. I don't know if you guys saw. I'll post a picture on my Instagram if you guys want to see that too. But I actually bent this down so that it matches up roughly with this right here. That being said, not exactly sure what I'm going to do as far as the interior side part of it goes. But you guys get a little bit of a better view. One thing I do got to fix is I do got to figure out what I'm going to put across the top here, because I still haven't decided if I'm going to put a roof on it just yet. And I still have the other door panel to fix as well, which does have a window regulator in it, but honestly, I'm not too worried about that right this second. I do apologize if you guys can't see. I'm kind of tucked in a little bit of a back. But yeah. Anyway, so I'll update you guys with that, and we'll go from there. And just like that, door 2 is mocked up. Check it out. So obviously, as you guys can see, I did the exact same thing that I did with this door. And, you know, got the lining and everything perfect. I got it exactly where I need it to sit. Focus, please. Thank you. And then I've got a little bit of a gap on the bottom because I don't exactly know how high up the floor is going to come. So, yeah.
It's part of the spring.
You see that junk?
There.
So there's part of the spring in there too?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
I'm probably gonna get a new one. Hey, look. Japan.
Oh. Oh.
And this, that is a sign of leakage. Oh, can you hear it?
You can pull this whole back part out too, yeah. Are we concerned about rust inside of here?
Potentially, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to. Those aren't. Could be a problem. These are standard.
Yeah, there's this one fucking.
Check it out.
Oh, no, Harley. Guys, check this out.
It's abuse.
Spins like a top.
Yeah, it's rubbing on the side. Yeah, it smells good. Better probably let it sit too long. Right now it's not on number one, so we got to turn the motor. So there's the driver down there on the floor. He's the one that you can use to turn the motor.
Yep.
So line up. So you see how the distributor is turning?
Mm-hmm.
So that's top dead center right there.
Okay.
That's number one plug, corresponding number one wire. When this is on here like this, number one is right here.
Yeah. Okay.
So
just like that.
yep, when it gets to there, it fires off to number one. Number one plug's over here.
Okay.
And then the firing order, as it goes around, it goes 1, 5.
It's on
4.
the back of that.
It bounces
right?
around. The what?
It's on the back of the manifold,
Yeah, it's
isn't
back there. Yeah, and then and also there's numbers on the intake manifold. Does it say 5?
Yep.
You see a 5 there? Yeah.
it? Yep. So it'd be one.
So
or
so one, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then as it goes around, it goes 1, 5, 4, and it goes in different sequence, so that it's.
Alright, so made some progress today. Got these all mocked up, ready to go. Got them just kind of screwed in. Just like so. Got the dashboard kind of almost put together. I apologize for the siren. I did get this one mocked up too. There's still a few more holes I need to drill, but it is getting kind of late. So I'm going to hold off on that for right now. And then, got mirrors in here. Mirrors in there, and then I've got, let's see, some toggle switches. And then inside this box, I'm not sure if I'm going to use these or not. But some lights. And then I also picked these up the other day too. So they are amber, but they're blacked out. So I'm not sure if they're LED or halogen. I'm getting there too. And then here's the progress on the other one. So he got the seat all mocked up, which is actually going to use, I think it might be towards the back. Anyway. Yeah, he's mocking that up right now. We did manage to get this moved back just a little bit so that he actually has a little bit more space for the engine. and then everything else kind of is gonna sit up this way or whatever. So this is actually what he's gonna be using as his seat. So it is actually a metal trunk, which is by far one of the coolest things I've seen. Anyway, that is all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see some more. Also, don't forget to check out Spectral RGB, who also sponsored this video. I will have a description of their website down below if you guys need some RGB needs. Give them a like and a follow on their Facebook, their Instagram. I believe he's starting up a YouTube channel as well, which when I update that, I will provide a description down below. You guys might see some cool builds on there as well. Anyway, that's all I have for you, so stay tuned and we'll see everybody later.